We are outside of 401 South 22nd Street, and we're about to check out a apartment in this 6-unit apartment building in the Fiddler Square section of Philadelphia. These cars pass. This is a fantastic section of the city. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks that way. The Schuylkill River Walkway is, again, just a couple of blocks to the left and west. Center City is, 4 blocks that way. You're really close to like everything and anything that you could ever want to be near in the city. It's really close to tons of hospitals, universities, including CHOP, Penn Hospital, University of Penn, Drexel University. It's a very quiet section of the city. Those places aren't super close to here where they affect this location at all. There's fantastic coffee shops, restaurants, bars. It's really the premier section of Philadelphia. I don't say that lightly. There's a Goddard School on the corner. It's a really pleasant, beautiful section of the city. Now we're going to take you through. So what's great about this building is it's owner managed. So that means you're not dealing with a management, you're dealing with the owner of the property. Both of the front doors lock and automatically close. So that is great for safety, even though this is a beautiful section of the city and one of the least crime areas in the city. It's still nice to have. This is your mailbox where all your mail will come. Just a beautiful vestibule. And this is the first floor of the building. This unit's on the top floor in the front. I'm gonna first show you the laundry area. So there's a dryer and a clothes washer. I didn't turn the light on so it looks darker than it typically does. But it's a clean, dry basement. All the units use this for laundry. Okay. Heading up to the top floor. What's great about this unit is you are the top unit in the front, so there's no neighbors above you or to either side. And here's the apartment. Again, beautiful natural light, great ceiling heights. Fantastic layout. It's an open kitchen. There's a large coat closet here on your left as you enter. Refrigerator, gas range and oven. Lots of cabinet space. Of course, great room for a desk. There's another closet right here. I'm gonna show you this closet first. And it's full, but it's deep. It's deep and it's tall. Okay, heading back into the bedroom. It's very spacious. The bathroom is off the bedroom. You have a closet here. It's a large room, so there's tons of room for extra storage pieces like this resident has here. And here's the bathroom. Some nice ceiling height, shower tub combo, old school tile, very pretty. Medicine cabinet. Here's a window to let the steam out. Here's the shower. Tub combo. He's got his biking stuff in here. That's the unit. Hope that was a helpful video. Let us know if you have any questions. But happy to schedule an in-person tour ASAP if you're interested.